I will show you step by step how you can easily transfer your old HSA into your Fidelity HSA. Hey everyone, I'm Andy from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from personal finance to credit cards. To get started, log into your Fidelity account. In the top right, type in TOA and then click Transfer of Assets. Scrolling down the page, we can click Start a Transfer. Type in your HSA provider name and then just select it here and click Next. For account number, log into your HSA website, look up one of your account statements, and somewhere on there, you should find your account number. Paste that value into here. For account type, select HSA, click Next. Now you need to select where to transfer your old HSA into. Since I have an existing Fidelity HSA, I'll just select an existing account and it'll show me my existing Fidelity HSA. If you don't already have one, you can just click on Open a New Account and follow the steps there to open a brand new Fidelity HSA. I'm going to assume that you have an existing Fidelity HSA, and so I'll click Next. On this page, it's going to ask how much do you want to transfer. I'm assuming most people want to transfer their entire account, so I'll select this option. But if you only want to transfer some of your money, you can just select this other option. It's then going to ask you if your old HSA is all in cash. If it is, select yes. If it's not, select no. But you can see with my specific HSA, it says it can only transfer cash. So I need to sell all my investments before I can make this transfer. However, depending on your HSA, you might be able to transfer a partial amount. But with my specific one, I'm not able to do that. So I already went ahead and sold all my investments. So all the money in my HSA is now all in cash. So I'll select yes for this option and click Next. Here, you can attach a recent statement from your HSA. Go ahead and do that. And once you're done, click Next. On this page, you can see all the transfer details. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, just click Next. The last step is to sign it. Once you've done that, just click Submit. This is what the confirmation page will look like. You will see an estimated completion date. Just note that this process can take a couple weeks. In the past, when I've done this, it takes about 4 weeks for the entire transfer to complete. And those are all the steps to transfer your old HSA into your Fidelity HSA. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you.